The increasing complexity of products like vehicles and the amount of required information are often challenging for workshops and their staff. Information has to be researched in different service systems, and data has to be transferred to relevant places. The solution is literally right in front of your eyes. Augmented Reality by Bosch. All relevant repair information at a glance. Bosch's Augmented Reality is an intelligent and intuitive technology which presents all relevant information directly in your field of view. So identifying fault sources and repairs can be performed more quickly and efficiently. Relevant information can be matched with the physical locations on the vehicle and is displayed where needed. You can accomplish even complex repair procedures simply and easily. In the near future, augmented reality glasses will be the central user interface in the workshop while having both hands free. Using augmented reality makes the workshop significantly faster, and you avoid mistakes. All information gets imparted visually at the correct location. This sustainable learning effect reduces training costs. Live with the vehicle. And in the virtual world. CAP, the common augmented reality platform from Bosch, is a modular system for an efficient development and publication of augmented reality content into the runtime client on tablet or smart glasses. CAP enables seamless integration of augmented reality into existing authoring processes and applications. It minimizes development and go-to-market time for augmented reality solutions and content. With CAP, you can save time and money to deploy and maintain augmented reality applications on a global scale. Bosch applies internally CAP and has therefore broad domain and business knowledge, which makes them the perfect partner for augmented reality. Augmented Reality and CAP by Bosch, a new technology to make your workshop more efficient.